Welcome back everybody. This is Shahzaib Kamal from Podina Tutorials.com and we're learning the Angular 4. Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this video we'll be talking about the NgSwitch. The people who knows about the actually has to know about the switch in cases of the general programming languages like PHP, like JavaScript, so they will be understanding it in a more better way, in a simpler way, that it just like that, but it just works in a tag. So you know that we applied different techniques here to this area, so I just want to apply the other thing to this area again. I'm going to the notepad back, and here I'm making a kind of a UL again. UL, I just want to show you how it works, and inside the UL I'm making some LIs. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just putting a kind of text here, and what I'm just putting for now, I'm just putting the well, John duplicate, and here I'm just putting Mark duplicate, I'm just putting Joe duplicate, and come on, Kamal duplicate. Okay, and here Vanessa, whatever name I just got in my head, I just put it. Now I think this is a kind of wrong spelling. BDW, who cares about the spelling of wrong and right here, because we're just not learning the grammar, we're just learning the programming of Angular 4. So let's just work on it. Here I'm just making a kind of NgSwitch command, but for now I'm just putting it inside the square brackets, and here I'm just typing NgSwitch. Why I'm just putting this inside the square brackets? Because here it will have some sub elements to the cases. So there I'm just gonna put a kind of expression. So let me put some value, and the value I'm just putting is suppose I'm just typing here the 1. Okay, number 1 or ID number 1. It's a kind of time to put a kind of value with them, so adding in space here, and after that I'm just putting something like the asterisk sign and NgSwitch case. Now whose one is the number 1? I'm just putting a value here, and here I'm just putting 1, and there again I'm just making, this is really simple, and the guys who already knows the switch in case thing, so they will understand it more in a more better way, but I'm just guiding you how it works. So 2, and going down and putting some more values, sorry, in this way, NgSwitch case equal to 3 cover, and they're going down, and the NgSwitch case equal to 4, the Vanessa one, NgSwitch case the 5, and save this, and now go to the browser and you will be seeing the result. Refresh that, and now I'm not getting anything. That means I did something little messy, so just need to check this out. What the thing? Oh, NgSwitch spelling, it's cool now, TCH. Now let's just refresh this thing, and I'm gonna get the result. Okay, got it. Only John is visible, you can see that only John is there. The logic is, if you people just forgot the switch or switch case things of the conditional statement of the of any programming language like PHP or JavaScript or Perl or etc. So I just want you to remind this thing. We just put a value. We just put a value in NgSwitch in a main switch area, and in its cases we just put different values. The value which matches with the NgSwitch, the main switch, any case which matches with it, the data of that element will be shown to the browser, and this is how it works. But just supposingly, if we found no value matches with the value with these numbers, or no cases matching with the main NgSwitch, suppose if I just type here 4, save it and go to the browser, and you'll be seeing the updated value here. Refresh that one, and I got it. Okay, I got the Kamal here. Well, if we type or we have the value of 6 and there we even don't have anyone as the value, then what should happen? Go there and now you can see that it's updating, but nothing here. You can see that nothing here according to what we need. So it's 6, so I'm just making another one, line break, li, and here I'm just making this thing as NgSwitch. Now not any case but default, NgSwitch default, and the value for the default, oh sorry, the ng default will have no value, NgSwitch default will have no value, the attribute will have no value, but in the li we can put anything like sorry, nothing got matched. Nothing got matched. In any way we can make it. Okay, just make things simple as we want and save it. Now go to the browser back and you can see that nothing got matched. We'll be getting the updated value in a little while. We just do not need to refresh that. Now you can see that sorry, nothing got matched. Now this is not necessary. In fact we should not follow the UL way, UL or li way, because here we are only gonna show a single case. So in that way this won't work, the list won't work. So we can just make it the div tag and these as p tags, or the p tag and p tags, in any way we just want. But in multiple paragraph, the one paragraph you just want to show, or in there are multiple usernames, but which is the real username or which one came to the process we can propose here. So probably this is the real simple thing, the NgSwitch. In the next class we will be just making some more fun. Stay tuned, and as always please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment and we will meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.